How are you? We are glad you are back at Shib. Holly, what is happening with the Shiba Inu? Strange news. Although the crypto ecosystem as a whole is currently bearish, anonymous crypto analysts say optimism about higher growth tokens is building. An alternative Shiba coin based on its underlying strength and technology. Shiba Inu has a good chance of starting a new bullish trend. Altcoin Shiba says the Shiba Inu price will reach 16 cents once the popular meme breaks the 13 cents resistance level. We'll talk about holy gray hair in this video. Shiba Inu Queenship news. What just happened? Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu is up 22% in the last week, more than most other cryptocurrencies. And there is more good news. Shibarium is said to be coming out next week, on the 14th of February. On Valentine's Day, the Shiba Inu burn tracker showed that the number of ships killed in the past 24 hours had increased by 10,129% in the last 24 hours. More than 20.97 million gray chips were burned in 5 transactions. Most of the burn came from a single deal that consumed $19.40 billion since the previous day's burn rate was only 205,000 chips on 2 deals. This represents an increase of 10,129% in the last 24 hours. So the reason for the supposedly huge increase isn't very interesting, especially when you consider that there have been many days in the past few months when more than 20 million grays were burned. On Monday, for example, 22.3 million gray hairs were lost forever in 3 transactions, which isn't a good sign. On January 24, the Shiba burning burned more than 110 million gray ash in one day, the largest number of the year so far. However, it is interesting to think about who sent yesterday's big transaction. Crypto.com, a Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange, has caused quite a stir. Data from Etherscan shows that 19.40 million Shib from Crypto.com were sent to the dead wallet in a very large transaction. According to Bitcoinist, the speed of the Shib has to be accelerated so much that it doesn't take long for it to make significant progress. If that doesn't happen, one estimate says it will take about 1,157,174 years for the total number of tokens to drop to 100 billion. If only 1 million meme coins were burned each day. In other good news, the Shiba Inu network as a whole has hit a big target. The number of unique addresses in the network that owns assets has grown to more than 1.3 million since the beginning of the year. More than 25,000 new titles have been added. Shiba Inu has seen a steady rise in the number of new titles, with more than 0 Shib assets since the end of November. As of November 29, 1,249,000 addresses have been added, which means that more than 50,000 new addresses have been added to the network in the past 2 months alone. Noise also occurs when well-known investors do more business on the whale network. Bitcoin said that since January 17, the network has seen the most whale transactions. Price changes tend to be larger when these things happen. The Shiba Inu photo comes as no surprise as the coin has a number of projects planned for its ecosystem, starting with the Shibarium protocol flotation plan. Shiba Inu, the Layer 2 blockchain network, based on Ethereum, is doing everything it can to make its ecosystem work. Shiba Inu also has a clear stake in the fast food business Rally, which is planning to make a strategic shift in the Middle East through Dubai. The food business will help the meme coin become more of a deflationary asset over time, as some of the fees will be burned off the transaction fees that are processed. Although cryptocurrencies have had a rough year, a group of tokens is making a comeback in 2023. Shiba Inu is now in the lead. Its popularity has grown more than 35% in the past few days and almost 100% in the last month. It is part of a larger industrial trend. Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency and token, is up 37% since January 1. Ethereum, the second best cryptocurrency and number 2 token, is up 35%. One of the brightest green lights is optimism about the economy as a whole, which comes from signs that inflation is likely. But some people may also think that the most popular explanation for Bitcoin, which calculated that 21,000 was the bottom price of Bitcoin, and then if its price drops a few thousand off the ground, traders will start buying dips, which will keep the price from falling further during Shanghai. I'm upgrading the Ethereum blockchain, and you'll get great tech support when the chain goes through a hard fork. This would allow cryptocurrency traders who put their tokens into keeping the on-chain ledger updated to get their funds out of the system in March. The Shanghai upgrade is already flying through milestones like this month's developer test assessment. But now there is a lot of controversy surrounding the launch of the Shiba Inu blockchain called Shibarium, which will be based on the Ethereum Foundation. Runner-up proposes a new token called shibaswap. It will be a governance token that will allow people to vote on proposals as the Shibarium world grows. Cryptocurrency exchange Bitcoin started listing Bones a few days ago. Its market value is already $411 million. Army Shib, made up of Shib fans, is also trying to list the Bones on the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Binance has not said anything yet. Bone is the first of several milestones in the Shibarium roadmap, which also includes the release of 2 additional tokens called Leash and Tree, both of which give tokens to owners of the Shibarium. Right after the rally ended, the Shib was still only worth 14 cents. And the gap between where it is now and where it was at its peak during the pandemic is still miles wide. And just to show how crazy the cryptocurrency markets are, even with last year's crash, if you had invested $100 in Shib when it first went live in August 2020, you would now have over $2.8 million. Satoshi Kusama, the alias of the lead developer behind Shibarium Shiba Inu, the Layer 2 blockchain, shared on Twitter what was discussed on Discord about new crypto projects coming to the Discord ecosystem. Kusama talks about the crypto projects that will be launched at Shibarium. I'm very happy to see projects like the F9, UFO, Bat Vehicle as well as other tokens that use Shibarium and our other platforms. That's the point, isn't it? The project in question will be Falcon 9, a launchpad designed to give developers a place to promote and launch new crypto projects. Next, UFO Gaming aims to be a decentralized gaming platform to bring crypto to the world of esports. Recently, the Shiba Inu has seen a huge increase in popularity, making it one of the most popular meme coins to circulate. Like the recent surge in popularity of Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has attracted the attention of many investors. Shiba Inu aims to increase the amount of cryptocurrency that can be traded on decentralized exchanges. This would prove the coin's commitment to developing more loyalty token payments and trade rewards that encourage competition are 2 interesting incentives offered to holders. All of this makes the Shiba Inu a major contender for the title of most popular meme icon. With its original approaches to the challenges faced by other digital currencies, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has recently been making headlines in the cryptocurrency market. The growth in both demand and the intrinsic value of the Shib coincided with the opening of a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. In addition, Shiba Inu has launched its metaverse, a 3D virtual world that uses many different types of digital assets and other applications of blockchain technology. Traders looking to make money may find the next upside.